Welcome to a deep dive into building a sustainable online income that can really pull in around £30,000 per year. In today's video, we're going to break down every aspect of creating a successful online income business. From leveraging blogs and newsletters to mastering YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for writing, creating videos, or simply sharing your insights online into a real revenue stream, then you're in the right place. And stick around because later on we're going to revisit the daily grind and the detailed number crunching that shows you exactly what it takes to hit that £30,000 mark. Let's start by exploring the big picture. The idea of making a living online sounds incredibly appealing. Imagine waking up, checking your analytics, and seeing your hard work translate directly into income. But here's the reality. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building this kind of business demands consistent effort, smart strategies, and a willingness to adapt when the numbers don't add up immediately. We're talking about using tools like Google AdSense, YouTube ads, and affiliate marketing to create a diversified income stream. And later in this video, we'll circle back to how each revenue stream fits into the overall funnel. First, let's break down our annual target of £30,000. That roughly translates to about £2,500 per month. We're planning to split this income roughly into three parts. Google AdSense making up around 40% or roughly £1,000 per month. YouTube ads contributing about 30%, which is about £750 per month, and affiliate marketing filling in the remaining 30%, another £750 monthly. These numbers aren't set in stone. Your niche, audience, and engagement could shift them. But these assumptions give you a baseline for the traffic and activity you'll need. Now imagine your online presence as a multi-channel empire. At the heart of it is your WordPress blog and Substack newsletter. Your blog acts as the hub of evergreen content, drawing in organic traffic over time, while your newsletter is the direct line to your audience. Picture this. Every blog post or newsletter you publish is another brick in your online income foundation. I'll share more on how these channels feed into your Google AdSense earnings later, so make sure you watch until that part. Let's dive deeper into the numbers for AdSense. We assume an effective CPM, cost per 1,000 page views, of about £5. That means to earn £1,000 a month from AdSense, you'd need roughly 200,000 page views per month. Breaking it down further, that's around 6,700 page views per day spread across your blog and newsletter pages. It sounds daunting, but with high-quality posts and strategic SEO, this target is achievable over time. But the journey doesn't stop at the blog. Social media is crucial for driving traffic. On LinkedIn, if you have a network of, say, 30,000 connections, even a modest engagement rate of 10% can get you around 3,000 to 5,000 views per post. On Twitter, by tweeting daily and engaging with your audience, you could accumulate between 50,000 to 100,000 impressions per month. Later in the video, we'll explore practical tips on how to optimize your posts and timing to maximize this traffic. Now, let's turn to YouTube, a platform that can be a game changer for online income. With an estimated earning rate of about £1.50 per 1,000 views, you'd need approximately 500,000 monthly views to earn around £750 from YouTube ads. That comes out to about 16,700 views per day. The key here is consistency. Aim to publish 2 to 3 videos a week, and be sure to use engaging titles, compelling thumbnails, and detailed descriptions. In a bit, I'll go into more detail about video content strategies that not only attract views but also keep your audience coming back. So far, we've talked about 3 primary revenue streams. Now let's discuss affiliate marketing. With an average commission of about £15 per sale and a conversion rate of roughly 0.05%, which means 5 sales in every 10,000 visitors, you'll need to generate about 50 affiliate sales per month to hit your £750 target. This translates to needing around 100,000 targeted visitors every month. The secret here is ensuring your traffic is highly engaged. which is why content quality is paramount. At this point, you might be wondering how all these pieces fit together into a cohesive strategy. Think of your online presence as a funnel with 3 layers. Attracting traffic, top of the funnel. This is where your high-quality blog posts, engaging videos, and consistent social media updates come in. They're your magnets that draw in a large audience. Engaging your audience, middle of the funnel. Once you have visitors on your blog or YouTube channel, you need to convert them into loyal followers. Your newsletter plays a crucial role here by offering exclusive insights and building trust. Monetizing, bottom of the funnel. Finally, you turn that engaged audience into revenue. Ad placements, video ads, and well-integrated affiliate links work together to convert traffic into income. I want you to remember these steps as we move forward, because later on we'll come back and break down how each step directly contributes to hitting those revenue targets. Now let's talk about the daily grind behind building this online income. It's not all glamour. There's a lot of hard work involved. Every day you'll need to create new content, whether that's writing blog posts or filming YouTube videos. For blogs, aim for 3 to 5 high-quality posts per week. For videos, plan on spending anywhere from 4 to 8 hours per video on everything from planning to editing. Engage with your audience on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. This might mean spending an hour or 2 each day crafting posts, responding to comments, and building relationships. Regularly review your analytics. Checking your traffic numbers, subscriber growth, and engagement metrics is vital for understanding what's working and what isn't. Trust me, this data is your best friend. Continuously learn and experiment. The online landscape is ever-changing, and staying updated on the latest SEO trends, social media algorithms, and content strategies is key to long-term success. I know this might sound overwhelming, but here's a key lesson. Consistency is king. Every post, every video, and every tweet adds up. You're building a brand and a business, and there's no overnight success here. It's about steady growth, learning from what doesn't work, and doubling down on what does. One of the biggest lessons I've learned along the way is that quality always trumps quantity, but both matter. Every piece of content you produce needs to provide real value to your audience. It's not just about hitting a quota, it's about creating something that resonates, builds trust, and eventually converts into revenue. And if you're feeling discouraged by slow growth at first, remember, every small win is a step towards your larger goal. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the numbers one more time to see how everything ties together. For Google AdSense, you need about 200,000 page views a month to earn £1,000, which breaks down to roughly 6,700 page views a day. For YouTube ads, you're looking at around 500,000 views a month to hit £750, or about 16,700 views daily. For affiliate marketing, about 100,000 visitors a month are needed to generate 50 sales at a 0.05% conversion rate, earning you another £750. These calculations aren't just numbers. They represent the milestones you need to hit. And later in the video, we'll go into strategies for tracking these metrics and adjusting your approach when needed. Finally, is building an online income really worth it? The answer is a cautious yes. There are no guarantees and no magic formula. It's a challenging journey that requires strategic planning, relentless execution, and a willingness to learn from failure. But if you're willing to commit to the process, embrace the grind, and continuously optimize your strategy, the rewards, both financial and personal, can be tremendous. As we close, I want you to think about this. Every blog post, every video, and every social media interaction is a stepping stone towards your goal of earning a sustainable online income. Whether you're supplementing your current income or planning to make this your full-time job, the process is all about building a diversified and resilient revenue stream. So if you're ready to get serious about your online income journey, remember the key points we covered today. Stay consistent, focus on quality, and always be willing to learn and adapt. And as you move forward, keep in mind that every challenge is an opportunity to refine your strategy and get closer to that 30,000 pounds annual goal. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, stick around for more insights on building your online empire. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. What strategies have worked for you and where are you struggling? Together, we can navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape and turn our online income dreams into reality.